Around the same time, XTI Aerospace had its webinar presentation and live Q&A, hosted by Red Chip Companies on July 31st. TriFan 600 conditional pre-orders and reservations were reportedly approximately $3 billion. Building on earlier momentum from the completion of a flight-focused technical familiarization meeting with the FAA regarding its TriFan 600 aircraft. During the meeting, engineering experts from XTI Aircraft Company, a subsidiary of XTI, met with 17 FAA representatives from across the country to review the TriFan 600 system design approach and expected flight performance, going over the aircraft's conventional takeoff and landing, CTOL, and VTOL climb and landing performance, payload and range performance, maximum range and cruise performance, weight and balance, center of gravity envelope, ceiling altitude, stall speed characteristics, flight control architecture, and hover out of ground effect. According to David Ambrose, XTI's Vice President of Engineering, the recent release of Advisory Circular 21-17-4 by the FAA provided valuable guidance on the type certification of powered lift aircraft. XTI had been working with draft versions of the advisory circular in preparation for the technical familiarization meeting, and the company appreciates the collaborative involvement of the FAA as it continues to refine the TriFan 600 aircraft design. With the goal of delivering an exciting aircraft that will transform point-to-point regional air travel, XTI is working closely with the FAA to further develop its systems, subsystems, and structural design, ultimately aiming to achieve FAA certification under the Powered Lift Aircraft category.